So in the previous videos, we are just going through the chapter number 8, that is linear equation in one variable. So in that we have just done up to the example number 17, and the exercise 8b question number 1 I have just given you in the homework. Okay, but let us first of all just doing the example, the further example, and then after I will solve few sums from question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay students, now doing the example number 18 here, example number 18, which is equation is 2x plus 1 upon 3x plus 5 is equal to 11 upon 20. Okay, it is equal to 11 upon 20. So here we have to solve this equation. So how we will solve? First of all, I am just telling you. You can see here, this is 2x plus 1 upon 3x plus 5 is equal to 11 upon 20, which is given. Here, if I want to take, it is in the division part. Okay, this is in the division part and this is also in the division part. Okay, this both are in the division part. If I just take this over this side, then it will, this division part will come in the multiplication part, and if I take this division part towards this side, then this division part will come in the multiplication of this side. So let us do that. See here, first of all doing this, so 20, this comes from here in the bracket, 2x plus 1, okay, and here is equal to 11, and this come, that is 3x plus 5 come from here, that is 3x plus 5. Okay, so I have just done, I have taken this one to this side and this one to this side over here. Okay, now multiplying this brackets with this bracket with this. Okay, so here 22s are, that is 40x plus 21s are 20 is equal to 11 into 3, that is 33x plus 11 into 5, that is 55. So here now you can see which are like terms, that is 40x and 33x. So what I will do, I will take this 33x towards this side and this term towards this side. Are you understanding this, students? This 33x, this is plus 33x. When come towards this side, it will become minus 33x, and this plus 20, when just go towards this side, then it will be minus 20. So here I am just writing 40x, and the term which comes from that side, that is minus 33x, is equal to 55, and this plus 20 comes towards that side, that is minus 20. Okay students, here 40 minus 33, that is what, 7x is equal to 55 minus 20, that is 5 will remain as it is, 5 minus 2, that is 3, 35. So 7x is equal to 35 we have got. Here, now this is in the multiplication with the x. When it just move towards this side, then it will be in the division. So here, x is equal to 35 upon 7. That is 7 5s are 35. And here we get x is equal to 5. Okay, x is equal to 5 we have got. Now, moving towards next example, that is example number 19. So I think it is little bit hard, but we can do it. We will do it. Okay. So here, if example number 19, in the example number 19, you can see 2x minus 3 upon 4 minus 2x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to x minus 2 upon 3. Okay, x minus 2 upon 3. So, how we will solve this? First of all, you know that this is the subtraction. If subtraction and or addition is there, then we have to take the LCM. This will remain as it is, but this term have changed. So first of all, we have to take the LCM of it, 4 and 2. So we will get our LCM, that is 4. So here LCM you can find by yourself. If I just take the LCM of 2 and 4, then the LCM will be 4. So I am just writing LCM is equal to 4, and you have to find that. I am just not finding, you have to find that when you solve example. So here 2x minus 3 upon 4. So what should be multiplied by 4 to get 4? So I will say 1, 4 1s are 4, and here is also 1. Okay students, now in the second one, here 2x minus 1, I am just forming a bracket over here. Let the train go first. Okay, go on. Now 2x upon 2 is given. So what should be multiplied by 2? So we will get what? We will get 4. So 2 into 2, that is 4. And here also we have to multiply this with 2. And is equal to, don't forget to write this, is equal to this. This will remain as it is. Then after here, it is multiplied by 1. So 2x minus 3 upon 4. It will remain as it is. This one, okay, I think we will need space. So I am just taking all the space. Here, if I multiply 2x minus 3 with 1, then it will remain as it is. 4 into 1, then it will be 4 only. Then here, it is multiplied by 2. Then here it will be 2 into 2, that is 4x minus 2 upon 4. 2 2s are 4x, 2 1s are minus 2, okay, is equal to x minus 2 upon 3. Okay students, now we know that this both the denominators are same, and here it is subtraction sign. Then what we do? 2x minus 3 plus minus minus 4x minus minus plus 2 upon 4 is equal to x minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now if I take this over this side, that is minus plus minus, so 4 minus 2, it is minus 2x, then minus 1 upon 4 is equal to x minus 2 upon 3. Okay, and now from here what we have to do? We have to do like this. This 3 will come over here and this 4 will come over there. So 3 minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 2. Then after 3 2s are 6, but minus 6x. 3 1s are 3, but minus 3 is equal to 4 into x, that is 4x, and 4 into minus 2, that 4 2s are 8, but minus 8. Okay, then what we will do over here? We will take this minus 6x over this side and this minus 8 towards this side. So what we will get? That is 8 minus 3 is equal to 6x plus 4x. Okay, we will get this. Then 8 minus 3, that is 5, is equal to what? 6x plus 4x, that is 10x. So here, if I say that 10x is equal to 5. Here 5 is equal to 10x given. If I write 10x is equal to 5, then both are equal only. So here we get x is equal to 5 by 10. That is 5 2s are 10. x is equal to 1 by 2, which is our answer. Please note down this, students. And now, as doing the example number 20, but first of all you do this. Okay, students, have you written that? Now moving towards example number 20. It is little bit hard than the example number 19. The 19 was little bit hard than the example number 18. Okay, here in the example number 20, first of all writing the question, that is example number 20, that is 3 upon x minus 1 minus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. So here you can see, in this it were numbers, but here you can see what is that. So we have to take first of all the LCM of it. So how we will take the LCM? So LCM will be how we will do this LCM. Let's see here. So what I will just do is, by taking LCM, what we will do, 3x minus 2 minus 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2, okay, is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. How we have taken the LCM? See here, I have taken over this here. If I give 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 4, when it is given to you, then what we do, another method, that is 4 2s are 8 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 4 3s are 12. Okay, so we have to do like that, and I have done this. So here, if we solve this, 3 multiplying by this bracket, so 3x minus 6. Here it is minus sign, so take care. So minus plus minus, that is minus 2x. Minus minus plus, that is 2 upon. First of all we have to multiply x with this bracket, then after minus 1 with this bracket. So what we will get, x into x, that is x square, then x into minus 2, that is minus 2x, then after minus x or minus 1x, 1 into minus 1 into x, that is minus 1x, minus minus plus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. Okay, here now taking this to this side, 3x minus 2x, that is only x. 3x minus 2x, that is x. Minus 6 plus 2, that is minus plus minus, that is minus 4. Here we have what? That is x square as it is, minus minus plus, so minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. Okay, so what we do here, we take this to this side and this to this side. So x minus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so here x into x, that is x square, x into minus 3, that is minus 3x, then after minus 4 into x, that is minus 4x, minus minus plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, so here x square, therefore x square minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7x plus 12 is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, here now if I just take all the terms, means this both terms towards this side and this term towards this side, that I will do on the another part. Here taking this equation, first I am writing same equation over here only, so x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So first of all, here is also x square and here is also x square, both are plus x square, so they will be cutted. So here remains, that is minus 7x plus 12 is equal to minus 3x plus 2. Okay, here if I take this to this side and this to that side, so minus 7x plus this is minus 3, when it comes toward this side it will be plus 3x is equal to 2 minus 12. Here it is plus 12, when it goes towards that side here it is minus 3, and here it will become plus. So here plus minus minus, so minus 4x is equal to minus 10. Okay, so here it will be x is equal to minus 10 upon minus 4. So 2 2s are 4, and here minus minus it will become plus. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So here x we have got, that is 5 by 2. Okay students, please note down this. Okay students, I will return this, and now moving towards exercise 8b, question number 1. From that I will do any of the two. Exercise 8b, question number 1. That is, from that we will do any of the two. From that h is to be cutted. From exercise 8b, question number 2, cut h. Okay, then after here we will first of all we will do, that is b, which is 13y is equal to minus 12y plus 100. Okay, then after another we will do, that is e, which is 10m is equal to minus, sorry, 12m minus 28 is equal to 6 minus 7m. Then after last one, that is k, 5x plus 43 is equal to 2, 3x plus 4. Okay, so let us do that. So first doing this, so here if I take this minus towards this side, it will become plus. So 13y plus 12y is equal to 100. So here it is 25y is equal to 100. So y is equal to 100 by 25. So 25 4s are, so y we get, that is 4, which is our answer. So please note down this, students. And then after doing the e, that is, if I take this minus 7m towards this side and minus 28 towards this side, then I can write this 10m minus, minus is there, it will become plus 7m is equal to 28 plus 6. Okay, so here it is 17n is equal to 28 plus 6, that is 34. Okay, so here n is equal to 34 upon 17. So m is equal to 2. 17 2s are 34. Okay, students, please note down this also. And the k, okay, have you written the k? First of all, we have to multiply 5 with this bracket and 2 with this bracket. So 5 into x, that is 5x plus 43 into 5. 43 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. Okay, so here it is 215 is equal to 3 to the 6, that is 6x, 4 to the 8, so plus 8. Okay, here it is, when I take this 6x towards this side, like term, and this towards this side. So 5x minus 6x is equal to 8 minus 215. So here, if I say that plus minus minus, so here it will be minus x. 6 minus 1 is equal to 1, that is minus x is equal to 215 minus 8. So 215 minus 8. So here it will be 0, here it will be 15. So here it will be 702. So here it is minus 207, which is our answer. So here minus minus it will become plus. So x is equal to 207. Okay. So please note down this. And in your today's homework, what you have to do is today's homework exercise 8b, question number 2. Question number 2 you have to just try, and from question number 2 cut I, J, I and J, that you have to cut Okay students, and also cut question number 3 and 4. This is from question number 2, and full question number 3 and question number 4 you have to cut off. Okay students, so this is your homework. I am just repeating it again, your homework. Exercise 8b question number 2, from that you have to don't do I and J, that is to be cutted. Okay, and also from exercise 8b question number 3 and question number 4 that you have to don't do. So else remaining sum you just try. In next video I will solve few sums from it. Okay, bye students.